Welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. In this heartwarming video, we're going to showcase a special recipe that has been passed down through the generations. Our 90-year young mama has been making this delicious recipe for over 55 years, and we are pleased to share it with you today. And perhaps this classic recipe just might become one of your family favorites. From the rich chocolate flavor to the creamy texture, this delicious recipe is going to be a true delight for any occasion. So grab your apron and get ready to make memories in your kitchen with us as Mama makes chocolate cake pudding.
I have made this dessert many times down through the years, and my family has always enjoyed it. This recipe is very easy. First, I'm going to go over the individual ingredients for you. It is a two-step process. Step one is making the cake batter. I'll go over those ingredients with you now. 1½ cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, ½ cup oil of your choice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of pecans. Now we'll start making the cake batter. In this bowl I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour. Mix in 2 tablespoons of cocoa and stir it well. Now add 1 cup of granulated sugar and stir. Add your ½ cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and your 3/4 cups of milk. I do a little at a time to make sure I get it the right consistency, but it'll take it all. After you get it all stirred up good, then you add the pecans. Now it's time to add one cup of pecans and stir them in. The batter will be a little thick, but that's the way it's supposed to be. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step, heat up 3 cups of water until it's hot, not boiling. Set the cake batter to the side. Get you another bowl. These are the ingredients for the chocolate pudding part. While your water's heating up, go ahead and mix the ingredients for the pudding. You add 1 cup of light brown sugar pressed down. Then 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Stir this well. I'm using a 9x13 casserole dish. About grease the pan. Your cake batter. And it's going to be thick, but it's supposed to be this way. And then just smooth it out. All over the pan. Now it's time to add your second ingredients, the cocoa and the sugars, all on the top of it, and spread it out. Now you add your 3 cups of hot water, just pour it over it, the top of it, very slowly. All 3 cups. Then you put it in the oven and let it cook for 45 minutes. And when it gets done, the pudding will be on the bottom and the cake on the top. The chocolate cake pudding is done and it baked for 40 minutes. The cake is on top and the pudding is on the bottom. If you found value in this video, take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.